The reason you clicked on this video is because you are probably struggling to understand why you still can't code, even after spending weeks, maybe months, watching tutorials, copying projects, doing everything they say you should do. And yet, every time you open a blank editor, it feels like you've learned nothing. Or maybe you are just curious if someone else feels the same way. Well, you are not alone, and today, we're finally going to talk about why this keeps happening. I'm going to share with you 7 laws, yes, laws that can change the way you learn coding forever. These laws aren't about cramming more videos or copying more projects. They're about transforming your mindset, your habits, and your approach. Follow these laws, and coding won't feel like a mystery anymore. Let's dive right in. If you are learning while distracted, you are not really learning. You open your laptop to code, but you've also got 3 YouTube tabs open, music in your ears, WhatsApp popping up, and your phone right next to you lighting up every few seconds. You are not coding. You are multitasking yourself into confusion. Focus isn't about how long you study, it's about how deep you go when you do. If you give coding your full attention for just 40 minutes, no distractions, you will make 5x more progress than someone coding all day half-focused. Turn off notifications. Put your phone away. Close extra tabs. When you focus hard, things that seemed impossible an hour ago suddenly start making sense. And if this is already hitting you somewhere real, do me a favor, like this video, and hit that subscribe button. It helps more people like you find this message, and honestly, it means a lot. Alright, let's get back to the laws. You don't learn to code by watching. You learn to code by coding. You can watch the best tutorials, read the cleanest documentation, and still feel stuck. Why? Because your brain doesn't remember what it sees, it remembers what it does. Let's be honest, most of us binge tutorial after tutorial because it feels productive. But it's not. Until you open a blank file and start writing things from your own head, you are not learning. You are watching. You don't need more videos. You need more mistakes, more errors, more, why is this not working? Because those moments, that's where the magic happens. 1 time isn't enough. 10 times might not even be. Understanding something once doesn't mean it's in your brain. You have to do it again, and then one more time. You are not dumb for forgetting. You are normal. Your brain needs patterns to form habits. It takes repetition for things to click automatically, like riding a bike. You ever wonder why you could follow along with a tutorial yesterday, but today you can't even remember how to start? Because you didn't repeat it. Build the same project again, and again. Build it blindfolded. Repetition isn't boring. It's how mastery is built. Trying to learn everything at once will teach you nothing. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Vue, Node, Express, stop. You don't need all of that. Pick one stack. Pick one goal. Stick with it. You can't climb 5 mountains at the same time. You reach the top by choosing one and going all the way up. Want to build websites? Start with HTML plus CSS plus JS. Stick with that until you are dangerous with it. The more you simplify, the faster you grow. Feeling stuck isn't failure. It's part of the process. Let me tell you the truth. If you are not frustrated, you are not growing. Coding is supposed to make your brain hurt sometimes. You're rebuilding something from zero. You're solving problems. You're talking to machines. Of course it's going to break. Of course it's going to confuse you. But here's the thing most people don't realize. That moment you want to quit? That's the exact moment just before the breakthrough. Every developer you admire has stared at a screen for hours wondering what's wrong. You are not alone. You are not dumb. Frustration is feedback. It means you're close. One real project will teach you more than 20 tutorials. Stop hopping from one video to another. Pick a small project, a calculator, a weather app, a portfolio site, anything. Then build it from scratch. Break it. Rebuild it. Google stuff. Stack Overflow stuff. Ask ChatGPT. Get stuck. Fix it. Style it. This is where you learn for real, not in the watching, but in the doing. Every time you build a project, you level up. You gain confidence. You get clarity. And the next thing seems easier. One project is worth more than a playlist. Learning to code is not a race. It's a craft. You look at other devs and think, wow, they're so good. I'll never get there. But here's what you don't see. Their first 6 months were exactly like yours. Confused, frustrated, full of doubt. You don't become a developer by rushing. You become one by showing up every day, even when it sucks. 30 minutes a day. That's all it takes. You are planting seeds. And soon, those seeds will grow into real skills if you stay patient. Don't rush the process. Respect it. So if coding still feels like a mountain, if tutorials aren't helping, and your projects feel like copy-paste routines with zero confidence underneath, it's not because you are not smart. It's not because coding isn't for you. It's because no one taught you how to learn like a developer. These 7 laws? They're not magic, but they will rebuild the way you think, and that shift alone can change everything. Start small, 1 law at a time. Rewatch this if you need to. Bookmark it. Whatever it takes. And if this video gave you clarity, even a little bit, then here's what I want you to do. Like this video so YouTube shares it with someone else who needs it. Subscribe because there's more coming, not fluff, not hype, just real talk for real coders. Now go build. Not just code, build your focus, your discipline, and your belief. I'll see you in the next one.